Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share my personal thought on Prabowo Subianto as our new president. For me, this is an exciting time for Indonesia as we have a leader who brings a lot of experience to table. Prabowo has been involved in both the military and politics for years, which give him a unique perspective. I think his background means he has a clear understanding of what it takes to Indonesia keep safe and stable, especially with everything happening in the world today. One of the things I like about Prabowo president is his focus on strengthening our economy. He seems very committed to helping Indonesia grow economically, and that's something I think we all want to see. In a big country as Indonesia, economic growth is crucial. It means more job opportunities, better living standard, and a brighter future for everyone. Prabowo also understands that for Indonesia to progress, we need to improve our defense capability. In time like this, have a strong defense is not just about military, but also about ensuring that our country can independently and protect it is if needed. Another things I admire about him is dedication to unity. Indonesia is a hot country with many different culture, language, and religions. Sometimes, with so much diversity, it can be challenging to keep everyone united. But Prabowo has often emphasized the importance of keeping Indonesia strong as one national. I think this is very important because unity is what makes Indonesia so unique and resilient. On the other hand, I also think it's for mine to mention no leader is perfect. Prabowo has faced criticism for home past and politics, especially regarding human rights. So, some people worry that his approach might limit certain freedoms. I believe it is important for him to listen to these concerns and find a way to balancing strong leader with respecting individual rights. After all, Indonesia is a democratic country, and the people's voice should always be considered. Overall, I am optimistic about Prabowo President. I believe he has what it takes to lead Indonesia towards a better future. Of course, he will face challenges along the way, but I hope he will be able to guide us with integrity and wisdom. It's not about exciting time, and I am looking forward to seeing what the future holds for Indonesia under his leadership. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfa Lakdar below me from class 72.3A.07. Now I will presentation about question word. Definition of question word. Question word or interrogative sentence are words used to inquire about things related to place, time, object, conditions, people, or reasons. Question words are often used in English communication. They are typically used to ask questions in the form of noun clauses or adjective clauses. Type of question word. Number 1. What? What is used to ask about things. As we know, what functions as a question word to ask about something or anything related to a person. Example sentence. Number 1. What is your favorite movie? Number 2. What did you eat for breakfast? Number 3. What kind of music do you like? Besides function to seek about something, what can also be used for asking for repetition or confirmation, meaning to request a repetition or to confirm what someone else has said. Example sentence. Number 1. What? Are you sure about that? Number 2. What was that? Can you repeat it? Number 3. What do you mean? Can you explain it more clearly? Number 2. Where? If you want to find information about the location, place, destination, or position of someone or something, the correct question word to use is where. Example sentence. Number 1. Where do you live? Number 2. Where are you going this weekend? Number 3. Where is the meeting taking place? Number 3. Why? The question word function to seek reason or causes. The reason can be either positive or negative. I mean to understand the background or cause of something happening. Example sentence. Number 1. Why did you choose this job? Number 2. Why you are interested in learning English? Number 3. Why did they cancel the event? Number 4. When? When is used to ask about the time something happens. The question word is closely related to a verb of time, which can be the answer to such question. Example sentence. Number 1. When is your birthday? Number 2. When are we have lunch? Number 3. When will the meeting begin? Number 4. When is your flight to Paris? Number 5. Which is a question word in English that helps to us choice between survival options. Its function is to request information about a specific choice from a number of available options and assist use in making decisions. Example sentence. Number 1. Which color do you prefer, blue or green? Number 2. Which restaurant should we go to for dinner? Number 3. Which city did you visit last summer? Number 6. Who? The question word who functions to ask about a subject referring to a person or individual with the purpose of requesting information. Example sentence. Number 1. Who opened the windows? Number 2. Who is your favorite Korean artist? Number 3. Who is your boyfriend? Number 4. Who won the game? Number 7. Whom? Whom is a question word in English used to ask about the person who is the about is a sentence, meaning the person who receives the action or is the target of that action. Example sentence. Number 1. Whom did you see at the party? Number 2. Whom are you going to invite? Number 3. With who are you traveling? Number 4. Who are you waiting for? Number 8. Whose. Whose is a question word in English used to ask about ownership. It is used when you want to know who owns something or who the owner of an object is. Example sentence. Number 1. Whose bag is this? Number 2. Whose phone is the ringing? Number 3. Whose house are we visiting? Number 4. Whose car is parked outside? And last, number 9. How. The question word how is used to ask about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quality. This question word can be also be used when asking about econ condition, process, and quality. Example sentence. Number 1. How was your exam? Number 2. How much money do you have? Number 3. How old are you? Number 4. How are you feeling today? Number 5. How was the movie? Number 1. We have question with auxiliary verb. Formula for we have question with auxiliary verb. WH plus auxiliary verb to be, do or have plus subject plus main verb. Example sentence. Number 1. What do you need to complete the project? Number 2. Where do you his live? Number 3. When did they arrive at the airport? Number 4. Who can we ask for direction? Number 5. Why are we working so late? Number 2. We have question with modal verb. The words that are included as modal verb are can, could, will, would, shall, would, might, and must. Formula for we have question with modal verb. We have plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. Example sentence. What can I do to help you? Number 2. Where should we go for dinner? Number 3. When will they arrive at the airport? Number 4. Who might have left this message? Number 5. Why must I complete this task today? Number 3. We have question without an auxiliary or modal verb. This formula shows that the WH word itself replaces the position of the subjects. Formula for WH question without an auxiliary or modal verb. WH plus main verb. Example sentence. Number 1. Who is your favorite actor? Number 2. What happens to the project? Number 3. Why is he upset? Number 4. When start the meeting? Number 5. Which team won the game? Negative. Now, number 4. Negative WH question. Negative WH question words are used when you want to ask a question in a negative form. To make a WH question negative, you usually added the word not after the auxiliary or modal verb. Formula for WH question without an auxiliary or modal verb. Where WH word plus auxiliary or modal verb plus subject plus not plus main verb. Example sentence. Number 1. What did you not understand? Number 2. Where cannot we go today? Number 3. When did they not arrive? Number 4. Who doesn't like chocolate? Number 5. Why won't he answer the phone? Example question. Number 1. Is your name? Answer B. What? Number 2. Book is on the table. Answer C. Whose? Number 3. Is the lead singer of the band Queen? Answer A. Who? Number 4. Did you decided to study in the Japan? Answer B. Why? Number 5. Do you use the microwave? Answer A. How? Thank you.